Welcome to Discurso Tidbit News, your quick guide to clear perspectives and insightful stories. And for the news this afternoon, Dizon pushes for longer MRT 3 hours, better commuter experience. Transport Secretary Vince Dizon has ordered extended MRT 3 operations and more trains during rush hours to ease the growing demand of Metro Manila commuters. After a surprise morning inspection, Dizon also directed the repair of broken turnstiles, shorter queues at stations, and covered walkways connecting terminals. MRT 3 sees around 375,000 daily passengers with a 5% rise in ridership this year. Operations currently run from 4:36 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. but will soon close 1 hour later. The upgrades are part of wider transport improvements across Metro Manila. And for our next news, DSWD distributes mobile phones to 4Ps beneficiaries. DSWD has begun distributing mobile phones to help 4Ps beneficiaries improve their digital financial literacy. Secretary Rex Gatchalian led the initial rollout in Navotas where 50 phones were handed out. The project aims to help families transition from cash to digital transactions and is a part of a plan to distribute devices to over 32,000 households, especially in remote areas. The program is a joint effort between DSWD and private sector partners and is part of the broader Digital Financial Inclusion Initiative launched in late 2023. And for our last news, Duterte's ICC lawyer Kaufman confident of acquittal. Former President Rodrigo Duterte's newly defense counsel British-Israeli lawyer Nick Kaufman expressed confidence in Duterte's acquittal at the ICC. Duterte faces charges of crimes against humanity related to his war on drugs. Kaufman, known for handling international cases like those of John Pierre Bemba and Aisha Gaddafi, plans to argue that Duterte's rights were denied under Article 59 of the Rome Statute. However, the Philippines' 2019 ICC withdrawal could complicate the case. The defense will file motions ahead of the September 2025 hearing. And that is all for the news this afternoon. Keep an eye on Discurso Tidbit News as we deliver more news that gives you clear perspectives and insightful stories.